Hey guys, it's Brian. Hope you're doing well today. It is the afternoon of Tuesday, 18th of August. Just want to record a quick update so you can see what happened with our trades for the day. We had two winners and a loser. The two winners were good, with the loser took back the profit to the two winners. So we basically had a break-even day. But that's part of it. That's part of trading. We don't win every single trade. We don't win every single day. But let's just talk about what it was. So just utilizing the same method we've been talking about here, where we wait for a pullback. So we've got an upward trend. Remember this morning we talked about our bias on the 4-hour for the S&P was an upward bias. Our 30-minute was in agreement with that. So we're looking for buy trades. So in order to do that, we start watching for the market to make lower highs and lower lows. It did that here, lower high, lower low, then lower high, lower low. And then on this next bar, we broke out of it. So we broke out. We took a trade here at, well, we didn't take, this would have signaled to take a potential trade here at 33.7750. Well, actually, it was 33.7725. But ultimately, signaled us in to take a potential trade here. And we can see how that would have just moved on for us. Initial risk was down here at the bottom of this previously closed candle, and we ratcheted off risk with each new candle as it moved in our favor. Finally, being stopped out over here at 33.84 and change. So would have seen a little bit of a gain on that one. Same over here on the NASDAQ. If you're trading NASDAQ, we didn't talk about NASDAQ in the morning. We stick to these three over here: eminis, gold, and oil. But NASDAQ also same thing, upward trend, upward bias in the 4-hour and the 30-minute, both in agreement. We wait for the market to make lower highs and lower lows. So it did. It pulled back here, and then we entered on the breakout of this. Would have been a trading opportunity to go long at the top of that previously closed lower high. So that gives us that trading opportunity there. And again, risk at the bottom of that previously closed candle, and then ratchet off risk with each candle as it moves in our favor and closes. We're taking off risk as well. So here again, looking at some potential profit on the NASDAQ. Unfortunately on gold though, it gave it back. So same process. We're, as we mentioned this morning, upward long bias. So we had a long bias on gold, 30-minute and the 4-hour, both were in agreement. Waited for price to start pulling back on us. It did. It pulled back, and we can see here as price made a lower high and lower low. It wasn't much. But it did signal a potential entry over here, and then immediately took it out in the same candle for a loss on that one. So, like I said, break-even day overall. If you're trading with these signals and you're looking at these markets here, if you're looking at just eminis and gold, it would have been a loss for the day. In that the loss on gold would have outweighed that loss on a single contract over here. But either way, it is what it is. That's part of trading. But the process is working exactly like we would hope it to be. It's super simple. As we've mentioned before, the more we can keep things simple, the more likely we are to stick to processes, and that's what it's all about. It's about sticking to the process over the long term and allowing that process to work for us. We just simply need something that gives us the ability to, over time, win a greater amount than we lose, and then work that process over and over and over. It gives us that trading edge. And there's other things we can do, obviously, to even increase that edge a little bit more with intraday management. We talk about that, using key levels and whatnot in our regular classes. But ultimately here, just sticking to a super simple process that's easy to understand, easy to follow. We can see the results from there. So that's it for now. I'll be back in the morning to do a market update, talk about the things that we're seeing, key levels that we're seeing, talk about some trade ideas and potential for opportunity. And of course, as always, any other little tidbits that happen to float into my brain while I'm talking, we'll mention those as well. Usually something process or mindset related. So anyway, that's it for now. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you in the morning. Bye.